The Fisher Paykel 48-inch induction range is the first of many 48-inch induction ranges you'll see in the future. You'll learn why, whether you should ditch your dual-fuel 48-inch range, if you can even buy one in the first place for reasons I'll mention shortly. In the end, we'll compare the Fisher Paykel to other 48-inch induction and other dual-fuel ranges. You'll also learn about the one thing you must consider before buying this range. As per usual, it isn't good. You'll see more brands of 48-inch induction ranges in the future, mostly because gas ranges can no longer be sold in multi-unit housing in many regions, or more specifically in Boston, California, and New York. So manufacturers have to build something for luxury towers. And that something is going to be an induction range. Induction is an even faster burner than a pro gas range, with a far better simmer. It's easy to clean because the glass doesn't heat. It's the most child safe because the induction burners need to sense metal to activate. Top is excellent, as most Fisher Paykel induction cooktops are. With 6 burners, you can bridge 2 burners with the larger pan. The power is decent, with 5 burners being over 3,000 watts, 4 at 3150, 1 at 3700 watt, and the other is 22. You may like gas, but induction is a better burner in every aspect of cooking. The oven is a single convection, with the split being 4.8 cubic feet in the larger and the smaller is 2.1 cubic feet. Controls are excellent, with the now common 7-inch intuitive touchscreen. You have access to recipes and smart functionality. Overall, it's a decent range, especially the cooktop, but not without issues. As we mentioned, the main oven is advertised as being 4.8 cubic feet, but it's actually only 3.8 cubic of usable capacity, which is on the smaller side. Small enough for me to tell you to bring your pans in your local store before buying. You also have one choice for color, that being stainless steel. The price is $15,499, making Fisher Paykel the highest priced 48-inch induction range in the market so far. Although, small print, you will be able to get 15% off throughout the year, so wait for the rebate before buying. Now let's look at what else you can buy in a 48-inch induction. Overall, this is a sad, sorry bunch of brands. Many are Italian that we don't sell for good reason. You can learn why in our appliances you should never buy video. AGA is interesting. With swing doors and colors, the price is a bit better at $10,499, but it doesn't have the features of the Fisher Paykel. AGA lacks a clock and timer, and only has 5 burners with even smaller oven sizes of 2.8 cubic feet. It's a pretty French-inspired range, but you have to like French-inspired ranges to buy it. Real competition will be Blue Star when it debuts later this year, and your dual-fuel options from Wolf, Thermador, Miele, and others, which have different features. So what do you think? Will you buy an all-induction range or stick to your dual-fuel range? If you want to learn more about your best 48-inch dual-fuel options, click here, and thanks for watching.